Good afternoon, each and everyone over here. I think most of the entire day is discussing about the various facets of the retail sector, and the topic is given to me about the MSME on the retails. If we talk about the MSME in retails, we need to understand what the MSME is, what are the MSME definitions are, and how it is being changed, what are the notifications came over here. If we talk about the MSMEs, which is the definition got changed in 1st July 2020. Now, as of the new notification, the companies, those are having a turnover of near about 5 crore rupees, up to 5 crore rupees, and having the investment in the plant machinery till 1 crore is micro, and having the investment in the plant and machinery about 10 crore rupees, and having the turnover about 50 crore comes under small, and in the medium up to 50 crore rupees into the plant and machinery, and up to 250 crore rupees turnover comes under the medium. So that's the MSME, micro, medium, and smalls. And 1st July 2020-21, the new things has came over here in the change in the amendment in the MSME. The wholesale and retailers also came into the MSME segments. If we talk about entire MSME segment area, the MSME represent 94% in the micro industries. So 94% are from the industries, those are macro, and near about 3% are from the small, and about 1% is completely about the medium industries. Near about 6 crore industries belong to the MSMEs, as per the data available of the government in 2018. But we believe that it's more than 10 crore units comes under the MSMEs. And out of the 10 crore MSMEs, if we talk about, most of the people are the proprietorship. 97% are the net proprietorship. Hardly 2% in the particularly in the partnership, and near about 1% in the other categories. And if we see it's about the ratios, about 1st July 2021, which the government has added the wholesale and retailers into this particular area, in the MSME segments, there are claim about 10 crore units are also belongs to this wholesale and retailers. And what are the benefits going to be given? The first time after the COVID era, the ministry has thought it, the government has thought it, let's add the retailers and wholesalers, because they are finding very difficulties into getting the funds. The real purpose of it, to get the accessibility of the priority lendings. And there are lots of the benefits are there for retailers, which is added after 1st July 2021. And if we talk about the MSME sectors, there are a lot of subsidies are available for the MSMEs. Interest subsidies are available, subventions are there. And if we talk about benefits real for the MSMEs in terms to the payment, delayed payment protection schemes are there, and a lot of benefits are there. But really, if we wanted to know about how many registration been done till now, the Act came in 2006, and till now is 2 crore MSMEs got registered. And if you see last year itself, November 2022, the units were registered around 1 crore units. And the entire benefits from last, in 9 months, 8 months, it's 1 crore unit being, get added into the MSME. And mostly from the MSME segments are from the manufacturing sectors. And service sectors or retail sector is still under registered under Udyam registrations. And we're talking about 20 crore units. And out of that, because 10 crore unit for the manufacturing, 10 crore unit from the wholesale and retail industries, and 20 crore units, that's only and only on 2 crore units are registered. And now we need to be, all the associations over here, retailers are over here. And the most priorities for our people is to get on board in the Udyam registrations. And Udyam registration itself also, if we talk about how many are being able to register, there are certain categories are there. In retailers, there are textile, food processing, and other sectors are prominently are allowed. Automobiles are not being allowed in the retail sectors. Other than each and everyone is allowed. So people can get onboarded in the under regulation and NIC code of 71, and they can get registered there. People find difficulty in which NIC code they have to register. In 71, there are subcategories are there where they can get registered. In the retail segments, the subvention which are being provided to the industries having a 1 crore rupees loan, that's a 2% interest subvention being allowed for the retail segments. And if we talk about the delayed payment schemes, that be not extended to the retailers and wholesalers. Or majorly, the schemes are available for the MSMEs. Those are qualify under the manufacturing area or the and service area. But in the wholesale retailer side, the only and only the benefits are extended to the subvention or priority side lending. The government also started the CGT MSE, where the credit guarantee schemes been extended to the all MSME segments. As of now, there are about 1 crore certificate being issued by the MSME, CGT MSME. And if we talk about the registrations, are being more than 2 crore rupees. And there is a myth that if we avail the loan of a secured loan, then whether we can take the avail of the unsecured loan again. I said yes. I had talked with the CGT MSME CEO, where he categorically mentioned that definitely, even then, when you have already availed the loan of the secured loan, still you have the ability and usability to take the grant of the CGT MSME. Because when you took the loan, that time you were have the collaterals, but now you wanted to grow your business, the business has to be grow, and you need for the loan. That's the reason the CGT MSE scheme has been launched. The banks still are not approving the loan under the CGT MSME. We have seen it, a lot of retailers are finding difficulties, but soonly the government is coming with a SIDBI, the funds going to be categorically going to be available for the retailers and wholesalers. Because the banks are under the profitable image, they find difficult whether the wholesaler retailer will repay or not, and they're finding difficulties. Now the SIDBI is going to launch schemes. There are a lot of other schemes where the retailers and wholesaler can take the example of if they wanted to promote themselves abroad. Of course, they can get the benefit of the MY scheme, where in the MY scheme, the traveling allowances are available. Up to 75,000 rupees, you can claim the benefit of the government of India. Up to 2 lakh rupees and 5 lakh rupees, you can participate in the exhibitions area. Like suppose today is the conference, and it is being approved under the MSMEs, the people up to 2 lakh rupees can get the grant from the Ministry of MSME, and you can avail these particular benefits. If you are traveling abroad, up to 5 lakh rupees, the participation fees, which also available for the MSME segments. And both the retailer, wholesaler, and the manufacturing sector are being categorically approved in these particular schemes. I believe that the crowd over here is more largely from the industry segment. Retailers associations are there, retails people are there. Now it's our duty to onboard and guide our service provider, vendor. Those are the small MSMEs. And and retailers are there, and guide them to get registered on the Udyam registration, Udyam Sahayata, so that they can take the priority lending benefits, whether it's a bank, financial institutions, or basically under CGD MSME. And there's a lot of TRADS kind of systems are available, fintechs companies are available. They're providing the bill discounting facilities. And I know that a lot of people came out with the various platform which are available. And in this regard, the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, which I represent as a committee of MSME, we came out the web portal where the msme.ici.org, where you can find all state government policies, subsidies available, and as well as the central government subsidies available, where you can also find the comparison statements. If you wanted to have the food processing industries, just click the food processing word and compare with the Maharashtra, Gujarat, or any other state. You will find what are the benefits are available. You just compare it, and you find the solutions for it. And there are also schemes that enlighten about what the NICC is giving, the fundings are giving. They are the financial institutions of the government. The schemes are available under the financial inclusion and other benefits. So the government is doing a lot of work for the MSME. Now, as a retailers, we need to also contribute ourselves under the guidance of our seniors or by the financial institutions or the CGT MSME. We should direct all the retailers over here or maybe in the vendor to get the benefits under the CGT MSME or under the MSME schemes. With this, thank you very much over here.